Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix network error. Please check your internet connection, game update error or while launching Gangster Mirage City online game. So if you are also facing the same issue, no need to worry, just follow the methods discussed in this video. What you have to do is you have to check your internet connection first. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, then move to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data, then move to Wi-Fi. Also enable airplane mode for some time, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that you have to go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, here you have to search for Gangstar Mirage City, and here check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. Apart from this, you are also suggested to disable any VPN that you have connected. If any VPN is connected to your device, you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. At the same time, you should also clear the cache of the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info. After that, click on storage. Here click on clear cache. Go back and launch the game once again, and then check if the problem is fixed or not. So by this way you can resolve the error you are coming across while playing the game. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.